Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video ay magsasagot po tayo ng isang mixture problem. How many liters of a 60% alcohol solution must be mixed with 10 liters of a 30% alcohol solution to create a 50% alcohol solution? Is it 5 liters, 10 liters, 15 liters, or 20 liters? Feel free to pause the video. Of course, ang unang gagawin lang po muna natin is to comprehend first the problem for us to solve this algebraically. Ang sabi po dito, how many liters of is 60% alcohol solution ang kinakailangan daw po nating i-mix or ihalo sa isang 10 liters of a 30% alcohol solution para makapag-create tayo ng isang 50% combined alcohol content from the initial solutions. So now, ito pong how many liters, ito po yung hinahanap natin. So let's assume this is simply X or X liters of. Tandaan, pag nakakita po tayo ng salitang of, it means multiplication. So how many liters? That is X of. So it means multiplication, 60% alcohol solution. So X times 0.60 must be mixed. Again, must be mixed. So we have to simply add with 10 liters of a 30% alcohol solution. So plus 10 liters of a 30% or 0.30. To create a 50% alcohol solution. So to create equal to 50% times the combined X and 10 liters. So ito po yon, si X and 10 liters. Kinumbined na po natin. So now let's solve this algebraically. So X times 0.60, that is simply 0.60X plus 30% of 10. Okay, so 30% of 10. Alam po natin itong si 0.30, that is simply 3 over 10. Yan po yung fractional form ng decimal expression na 0.30. So 3 over 10, that is 0.30 or 0.3. So it means 3 over 10 times 10. That is simply equal to 3. Kasi po, 10 times 3 over 10, that is 10 times 3, that is 30, divided by 10, and that is simply 3. So we have 3 equal 50% times X, that is simply 0.50 X plus 50% times 10, that is 0.50 times 10. So ilan ba yung 50% ni 10? Kalahati ni 10. Pag sinabing 50%, kalahati. So diretso na po natin na 50% of 10, that is simply 5. So now combine like terms, let's subtract 0.50x both sides, so minus 0.50x. So this is already 0. So 0.60x minus 0.50x, that is simply 0.10x plus 3, which is equal to 5. So now let's rewrite first kasi wala na po tayong enough space. So 0.10x plus 3 equal to 5. Then subtract 3 both sides. So this is already 0. So we have 0.10x, 5 minus 3, that is 2. And to solve for the value of x, simply divide 0.10 both sides. And this is already 1. So our x is simply 2 divided by 0.10. Alam po natin na si 0.10, ang kanyang fractional form is 1 over 10. Naturo na po natin ito sa ibang videos at i-browse nyo na lang po sa ating video list on how to convert decimal to its fractional form. Again, si 0.10, that is simply 1 over 10. So it means this is simply 2 divided by 1 over 10. Ang gagawin lang po is to copy the numerator, which is 2. Instead of division, magiging multiplication na, and get the reciprocal of this 1 over 10. When we say reciprocal, pagbalik ta rin ng pwesto yung numerator and denominator. It means 1 over 10, it becomes 10 over 1. So we have 2 times 10, that is simply 20 divided by 1, or simply 20. So the correct answer is simply letter D, 20 liters.